A fox sneaks closer, eyes locked on the helpless chick. Every move is quick, every step calculated. But before it can strike, the mother secretary bird steps forward. Wings spread wide, legs pounding the ground in warning. Again and again, the fox tries to outsmart her. Again and again, the mother blocks the path without fear. The fox is clever, patient and fast, but a mother's love is stronger than any trick. In the end, the fox hesitates and backs away, because some battles can never be won against a mother's protection.